Assalamu alaikum and good morning class 4. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our new topic, that is unit number 6, decimals. What is decimal? A decimal is another way of writing a fraction, or a decimal is similar to a fraction. It's not a whole number. Rather than saying 1/2, we can say 0.50, or instead of writing 1/10, we can say 1/10 or 0.1. It's simply another form of a fraction. The numbers expressed in the decimal form are called decimal numbers or decimals. For example, 5.1, 4.09, etc. These parts are separated by a dot called the decimal point. Decimals are a way to show numbers less than 1. Place value shows the value of each number after the decimal point, such as tenths and hundredths. Look at this decimal place value chart. The number is 4.18. To the right side after point, the places are tenths, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. And after point from the left side is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So we can write as 4 and 1800s. Okay, class 4, now take out your copies and start the copy work. Exercise on your own, page 109. Write question number 1. Write the following decimals in words. The first one is 0.2. You have to write the spelling of 0.2 like this. Number B is 1.003. Write the spelling of this number like this. The third one is 45.065. And the last one is 1.23. Now your homework is to do question 1, exercise on your own, 6.1, page 109 in your copies.